You are my little sheriff. You will get the ball.
Guess who? And fill up. Fully clothed. And just when I'm in the mood for food. That's the stuff for me. In this town. We specialize in stuffing birds. Oh boy, that's my meat. And he's open too.
Good morning. May I help you?
Yeah. How about a menu?
I beg your pardon.
A menu. Menu. M-E-N-Y-O-U-U. Menu.
Perhaps you mean our price list.
Yeah. What's your stealing prices? Kinda high, ain't they? Oh, well, I feel like a little shrimp today.
Could be. We all have our off days.
Cut out the smart crack and bring me some food. Bring me some French fried soup and a big T-bone steak smothered in pork chop. And, let's see what else do I have.
100,000. Women. Motor cars. Women. Yachts. Women. Mansions. Women.
Hey, Jughead! Bring me my food!
Oh, yes, food. Oh, yes, first, certainly. Fix you right up. Yes, we call it blackout borscht. hand, I broke my little hand, I broke my little hand.
Picadors, toreadors, matadors, troubadours, swingdors, and cuspidors. Stand back, please, and let them out.
Ladies and gentlemen, the main attraction for this afternoon. On this side, Woody Woodpecker. Weight 5 pounds, 2 pounds over. On this side, Oxnard the Terrible. Weight 1,100 pounds, 11 pounds under. It's a lot of bull, or is it?
Okay, now you watch him while I go get a knife. Oh, I went down south for to see myself in Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. My Sally, I'm a spunky gal, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Very well, very well, very well, my fairy say. I'm going to Louisiana for to see my Viviana, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. little gas.
So, stealing gasoline, eh? Oh, no? Well, let me smell your breath. Now, once more. Say, Grandpapa, would you put some water in my automobile? So it's you, the maniac.
That is an insult. Choose your weapon.
One, two, three, four, fire!
When you want to make the plane go up, you gotta push a stick backwards. And when you want to... Hot dog!
So, still playing pilot, huh?
Yeah. And someday I'm gonna pilot the Clipper.
Yeah? Well,
Pilot this clipper!
Hard Clipper pilot. What a sense of humor. I'll show that big fat head. Hot diggity dog. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. it easy, Sarge. Take it easy. I want to fly like the birds.
So, you wanna fly, huh? Okay, you asked for it! How'd you like your first solo flight?
Well, what do you know? A pilot suit. What's the matter with the zip in this zipper? Come on, open up. A real plane.
Hey, you! Get out of that plane!
My mother told me to take this one.
Come back here! You hear me?
This is the home of Wally Walrus, owner and manager of a quiet and respectable rooming house. As we look in on this reputable old fuddy-duddy, we find him enjoying his weekly bath, while upstairs, a slap-happy tenant is enjoying a game of, well, of all things, indoor golf.
A golf ball. Well, I suppose I should overlook this little incident. But I'm not going to! Now, one more peep out of you and... Here, read the rules.
What a joint. I can't do this. I can't do that. I can't do nothing. Ah, boy. Well, there's no rule against me taking a bath.
All you do is eat and eat, but you never pay a dollar. Now get out for good. And by jumping Jiminy, don't come back anymore. You moocher.
Oh, a moocher, am I? Well, mooch applies to you. He's got a nerve, throwing a guy out on an empty stomach. I'll find another boarding house. Uh-oh. Lonesome bachelor wishes to meet refined lady. Object, matrimony. Can offer fine home and lots of good wholesome food. Phone, Wally Walrus, asthma, 4343. What a coincidence.
Hello?
Is this Wally Walrus?
Yeah. This is Wally Walrus.
Well, this is Clementine. I saw your ad in the paper.
Ah, that's good. Young lady, are you refined?
Am I refined? I'm 110 octane. Now don't go away. I'll be right over. Goodbye.
Clementine. What a beautiful name. And by golly, she's coming to see me too. Sweet and dainty, like a fairy, and her voice is so divine. Like a feather in the weather, she's my darling Clementine.
But you can just call me Clem.
Pleased to meet you. And my name is Walrus, but you can just call me plain Wally, yeah, sure.
Okay, you cute little Wally.
By golly, she is plenty wonderful. Ah, there you are. min lilla lovbird. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are too.
No, I'm not.
I said you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm
you
not.
Are. You are.
No.
Yes, you are.
Ah, she loves me.
Work and work, storing food for winter, while the grasshopper fiddled his time away. When winter came, the ant had plenty of food. The grasshopper was cold and hungry. That's a lot of baloney. Just look at them. Work, work, work. They never have any fun. Hey, you're not an ant. You're a grasshopper.
Yep, that's right. But the ants taught me a lesson. Right.
Work! Just the thought of work tires me out. Pardon me. Would one of you step in the lobby and get me a candy bar? Right back at you. What was that? Huh? What was it?
That was the wolf at your door.
A wolf? Yeah, Wolfie, yeah, Wolfie, yeah, Wolfie, yeah, Wolfie.
Well, what do you know? If it ain't my old friend Red Riding Hood in person. And what, might I ask, have you got in the basket?
I've got a basket of food for my grandma. I bet you have, I bet you.
You don't say. Mind if I have a look? Hmm?
have one.